Bro, this is how we be making milkshakes up in here. Okay. Step one. This isn't what they didn't tell you this. Why is the fridge so full? Okay. So what you gotta do? You gotta move the ketchup up here. You gotta get. Jesus. Okay. We got the milk, right? They don't tell you this. Now. This is a secret. You gotta put it in the freezer. So then screw the lid on the milk. Right, enough. Make sure it's not expired. It's about to be. What day is it? Oh no, this is expired. Okay, cool. No, it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Yeah, this is expired milk. Best kind. Put it in here. Good. Nice and. Jesus. There we go. Got it in there. Now, we gotta go get the milkshake. Oh, I forgot to close this door. We're gonna go get the milkshake machine. Bam. I use the Hamilton Beach Drink Master. Because all my elderly relatives tell me, oh, when I worked in the Walgreens, this is the kind that we use to make the milkshake. So that's how you know it's good. Let's go ahead and get this set up. Oh, man. Okay, step one, gotta plug it in. Most important step. Now we got the, whatever this is called, I don't know. Push it in there. This is gonna come out. We're gonna leave the cup off the hook right now because we gotta put the ice cream in there. And now you don't have to do syrups, but I'm gonna do syrups because we're getting the full experience. So now we get to choose our syrup. And what's you guys feeling like? I've tried a few of these before. I haven't tried caramel. It's either gonna be caramel or peppermint. I haven't decided. Or we could just do vodka. We're not doing that because that's underage drinking. If anyone underage drinks, you are a criminal and you are worthless and you don't matter. You're not a human person. So we're gonna do caramel. Haven't tried this one before. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I get Torini. There's another thing in there. I don't know. Because I don't buy my own stuff. I just get it for Christmas. And my parents see that and they want to give me a special treat. Oh, that is strong. That is strong caramel. Okay. Cool. Now we get out the ice cream. And since we're using a syrup, we're going to just do vanilla. I guess you can mix and match, but who cares? And this is low carb vanilla. Jesus. Okay. So let's get out the spoon. This is the easy part because once you get the milk out, you're on a timer. This part you can take your time, with the milk out, but well, you're not on it. That's usually because I had to make a bunch of milkshakes in a row. But right now, everyone is gone except my brother, and I'm not making him a milkshake. As you can see, well, you can't really see that well, but we got lines going up. Usually, you put the ice cream to about the second line. Not the second line, just usually about 3 or 4 scoops. I'm doing 4 since these are little scoops. Maybe, and then just a little sprinkle more. We want something good. That was a bit too much. Put a bit too much in there. But yeah, see that? You're gonna want to get. Do we here at the paper towels? You're gonna want to get a paper towel. Put it over. You're gonna want to put the paper towel right below the milkshake thing. This is something I've learned in my experience because this bit drips. Okay. Now let's get out the milk. Okay. So we're gonna pour this in. I'm gonna put this about the 2-bit line. Usually you want it to be a little bit more ice cream. I'm gonna put a bit in there. Just like some crest of the ice cream in there. Like that. But I generally like a nice thinner milkshake. Other people don't. And this is where it comes real important, is the timing. You hook it on here. Hooked it on. And we're going to put it on 1 right now because I'm going to mix in the syrups. So you only want a little dab of syrup. That's about good enough. Depends on how strong you want the taste, but going. It's generally good. You want to take it off the hook a bit. Mix it in. It sounds like it's breaking it, but maybe it is. Probably not. We're going to go a bit few. But if you want it thicker, obviously you do less. Also, hardly ever put up on high. Now what we gotta do is we just gotta get out our spoon. And we're going to test to make sure there's no chunks in here. Just feel around, see if you can feel any chunks. Yeah, see we got some bits of ice cream still in there. So we're gonna put that back in there. Just a little bit, just move it around to where the chunks were. General milkshake making stuff. We're gonna feel around again. Yep, that's seeming about good. Now we're gonna get out our cup. I'm gonna use one of my milkshake cups and pour it in. Yeah, this is a bit much. Oh, this is good. I didn't think the camera was gonna be this good. Oh, stupid. I blew into it. I shouldn't talk. Ciao, Bella. Wait. Ciao, Bella.